Jericho still with it. Nice pass over to Big Mo Tautua, who stuffs it in.
Unfortunately, I wasn't playing that much.
Well, Tautua has been playing a lot.
George now does. What's two big guys in the middle?
Nice pass to Simon, who didn't shoot it. Instead, gives it out to Ross for three, and it rattles in.
From his bench.
Tautua! Big Mo Tautua with 6 points already in the game as CJ Perez
Really carrying, San Miguel on his shoulders.
Three ball on the way here for Rainer Shine, and it rattles in. Lassiter wide open for three is no good. Another attempt here for Marshall. Well, you're not. Here's Asisio. Anton lets this fly from deep. Drills it.
Almost.
Fajardo, turnaround jumpers off. Rondial will turn the negative into positive against Ildefonso. Big-to-big action. Fajardo, you can't stop him when he gets that kind of Lassiter. Here comes Marshall on the break. Belga to beat. Over to Rondial. Back to Marshall. Off the glass and in. Noko. Back to Sandy. Three ball on the way. Got it! Belga over to Caracal. Back to Big Bo. Belga lets it fly from deep. Money. Belga. Over to Clarito. Belga for three. Got it again!
If he continues to shoot that way, I'm sure.
And CJ Perez can't score down low. The reverse puts it in. Here's Ross. Now with Troliano. Lets it fly from deep. That is in and out. Fajardo will turn the negative into positive. Caraco. Dancing with Lassiter. Caraco off the glass. Puts it up and in.
It was about to take.
Waiting for a teammate. Here's Santelian. Puts it on the floor. Santi. Over to Norwood. 50-foot jumpers. Money. So at halftime, then all of a sudden San Miguel punished them in the second half for a big win.
That big third quarter run there. Nothing really much Rainer Shine could do.
See Ross scoring from the outside. Fajardo against Belga. Here's a double team. Back out to Ross. Three ball on the way. Back-to-back three. And
if you're standing beside me and you feel I'm tall, Big Bo is taller than me and wider than me, so good luck. It's the best equalizer for June.
And he goes straight to Jumar against Dato. He finds Troliano. Easy basket there. Santi, three ball on the way. Not that time. He hit one in the first half. Bonito with the rebound. Over to Datu, who puts it in. Go back to Fajardo. Takes it out to CJ. Fumbles it a little bit. Finds Marshall at the corner. Three balls. Money.
He said it might seem like he's the one carrying his team on defense, but it's actually the other way around. They're always communicating.
Datu. He hit 2 threes already, and that's the third one for Keith.
Trying to push Junmar, so right there, he did a very good job. But once Junmar backs down with that leg, sama na si Keith Dato because
Steal there by CJ.
look at the hustle of CJ Perez, wow.
Marshall, three ball, money! I mean, in a blink of an eye, the San Miguel Beermen put back that lead back up to 6, and Santi Santelian said, wait, it's short. Here comes San Miguel on the break. Marshall will go straight to the cup for two. 73 to 78 in favor of the Beermen. Caracal somehow
Yet very effective.
Troliano will attack. Troliano to the cup, puts it in. Jericho, skip pass over to Ross, wide open for three. He lets it fly. Another one for C-Raw. Marshall puts it on the floor. Lassiter lets it fly. Three ball on the way. Another one. He's getting up there in terms of the most 3 points made, and he's gonna get it. He's gonna get it sometime
for sure.
Santelian sends it over to Noku. 15-foot jumper is money. With Clarito, both fall down. Cruz picks it up. Loses it over to Mamu. Here comes Nokum all the way to the cup for two. Here comes Nokum on the break. Sends it over to Mamu. Back to Nokum. He's gonna score on Tautua.
Strength that they need in the middle.
Tautua. Over to Cruz. Three ball on the way. Money. Perez. CJ. Stepping on the gas. CJ all the way to the cup for two.
Kind of game that San Miguel employed in that third quarter breakaway in game 2.
Malcolm skies, and the layup is good!
In this, and that they have to be ready to get the lead back. Back to you, Gino and Coach Eric.
Thank you for that report. Here's Caraco. Let it fly from deep. 3-ball money. No good. Here comes Rain or Shine on the break once again. Knock. That is Ildefonso. Romeo trying to get going. Dead end. Stop shot. Puts it in. We are nearing the critical stages of this ball game. Trollano. Gone. Wow. To shoot here for San Miguel. Dead ends. Still with it. Somehow wiggles free from the outside in the first half. But he's starting to get going here in the critical stages as Big Bo Belga couldn't. Possession game. Fajardo, turn around, puts it up, not gonna get the roll. Trollano will turn a negative. Santillán stolen there by CJ Perez. Perez challenges the defense of Big Bo Belga. And that's stolen by Bo Belga. Jumar actually wasn't looking. Mamu pulls up. Got it. That's right. Perez sends it over to Trollano. Gone. All the way to the basket. Stolen by Junmar. Counter steal by Rain or Shine. Mamu eye in the skies. Miguel. Fajardo against Belga. Out to Perez. Puts it on the floor. Perez puts it up and in. Terence dancing with Clarito. Terence puts it on the floor. 15-foot jumpers money.
Wow.
Mamu. They find Santi. 3-ball is
Big.
money. Waiting for the Fajardo screen. Terence sends it over to Marshall. 3-ball is money.
Wow. You can bring this game down and win. Give you a chance to win. Marshall hits some crucial 3. Doable, but it's going to be tough.
Terence will put this up, and that might be the final nail in. Junmar Fajardo did not dominate in this game. As Terence Romeo won.